Who's in the basement? Oh man, this won't work. Okay. Now we're ready to do this. The whole point of that was to get to this. This is the module that I bought for an HDMI output to go onto the back of my Phantom 4 controller. So you're going to want to be super careful with that because it's delicate. So what we got is, I guess, I don't know, instructions. And then we also have this bag. The module, you'll see, it comes with a mini HDMI port. It comes with, I don't know, is that a mini, micro, macro USB? It's for updates, who cares? This is the USB that you'll be using to connect for your DJI Go app. And this is a CAN port. I don't know. So this is really nice. When they ship this to you, it's already in here. So you want to go ahead and wiggle it loose. Just, you know, kind of move it around. You feel it break, and there you go. Yeah, when you hear that snap, you know it's a good break. So what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to take your remote and you're going to want to remove this back part. You're going to do that by removing these 4 screws with Okay, so I guess you need Allen wrenches in order for this to actually work. So I need to go buy an Allen wrench. While I'm out shopping for the thing, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you why I'm going through all this hassle. So I went and got this. This is the Neewer, I don't know how to say that crap. Neewer, whatever. The Neewer 7-inch 4K field monitor. So this way I have a 7-inch monitor to look at instead of just my iPhone. You know, 7 inches is bigger. Yeah, that's good. I bought this off of Amazon. So it came with the monitor. It also showed up with a battery charger for it. It came with 2 batteries, but I was just getting 1. It also came with a magic arm. So cool. Yay. Magic arm. All that costs like $189. Not bad. Good job. I got you the Allen wrenches. Cool. Thanks. Alright, so I'm back from the store, and I got Allen wrenches. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our newly purchased Allen wrench, and we're going to open this guy up. I'm using the smallest one possible. Thank God it was small enough. Alright, make sure that you take great care to lose every single screw that pops out. Always one holdout, and wow, that came right off. In every video that I've seen, I had to get a prying tool. Why even buy tools? So this next part is just like the game Operation Scalpel, and we're gonna get in here and we're gonna, well, I mean, we're just gonna get in and we're gonna touch them. So if I can get in here. Just, you know, I was never good at this game anyway. Alright, so that was a little bit messier than expected. I mean, I had no idea there were so many wires inside of this thing. Now we have our clear space. Now we just need to get this on there. So to do that, we're gonna just move this around till you hear it. It's snapping and break, maybe even pry it. You're not supposed to pry it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing anymore. Whoop, there, did it right. So now it's out, and you can see that we're gonna place it. So we gotta be certain to reattach our cables the same way that they came out. How the hell does this even work? I guess so. Oh man, stupid cable. Let's hope that's in place correctly. Did elves put this together? Who has fingers this small? Well, let's hope that worked. Alright, well now that you got that securely planted in here, you want to go ahead and take those small little screws again and tuck this guy back in. Last step is you want to take your cover here, and you'll notice there's a little doodad right there, and that's going to go right there. So we just line them up, and you want to give it a good little squeeze. Wait until you hear it break. You'll know when you hear it. There it is. That's the breakage you want. And give it a little rattle. Yep, but when you hear those screws moving around, you know you did it just right. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these weird looking screws in place. Good thing I went out and bought a whole Allen set just to do this. Even though the package said it was gonna come with a tool, we won't hold that against them. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna hold it against them for the rest of my life. That's that, and you know, that's all you need to do in order to get your Phantom ready for the HDMI thing. Okay guys, so there it is in all of its glory. So that's a dog named Spud. Have a potato.